Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to restore data from backup in Palworld. If something happens to your world, let's say something gets corrupted, you make a terrible mistake and you're softlock, etc., there is one way to get back to playing on the same world. It's simple. Let's first select Start Game, then select the world you have trouble with. Then, after that, select Restore from Backup Data. Here, as you can see, you have a bunch of save points that I could go back to. Let's say I want to go back to the second one, right here. I click on it, then I am prompted to with the question of if I wish to proceed. Let's say yes, and as you can see, the save data has been restored. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.